Hi, my name's Gary. I'm an engineer here at Agilent. We've been asked how can I sweep faster when performing measurements of continuous wave-like signals, such as spur searches or harmonics. I'm here to introduce to you an exciting new firmware upgrade called Fast Sweep, which allows you to make sweeps in many cases up to 50 times faster. This is possible by implementing a new digital RVW filter in both magnitude and phase, which allows the LO to sweep faster at lower RVWs without any amplitude or frequency errors. In order to demonstrate the feature, I'm going to compare the sweep times of two identically configured MXAs, one with fast sweep implemented and the other without. First, let's set up both analyzers to measure a 1 GHz center frequency and span, using a peak detector. Notice that the sweep time is auto-coupled to the RVW, which allows the analyzer to sweep as fast as possible without amplitude or frequency errors. If we reduce the RVW to 100 kHz, you can see both the analyzers are measuring a noise floor at around -90 dBm, with similar standard deviations of the CW signal. However, the upgraded analyzer can perform the sweep in just 3.267 milliseconds, while the other is taking 120.6 milliseconds. That's 36 times faster. Let's lower the RVW further down to 10 kHz. Our fast sweep analyzer is taking a quick 211.3 milliseconds, while our non-upgraded one is sweeping at a slow 12.06 seconds. That is the same measurement being taken at more than 50 times faster. What if we were to manually oversweep the standard MXA to match the faster sweep time? We get a significant amplitude error. How does this affect our dynamic range and repeatability? By dropping our RVW, we introduce less noise into the measured power of the CW signal, in turn improving repeatability. With fast sweep, we can achieve these lower RVWs with significantly faster sweep times. In this video, I've shown you how you can sweep faster with the purchase of a firmware upgrade on the X series signal analyzers. This is all without sacrificing dynamic range or repeatability for CW-like signals. To learn more about the fast sweep upgrade, visit the website seen here. Thanks for watching.